So I called ahead today, and the people that I know at Matai Slick Outfitters, I talked to them, and they're gonna fly in some beer for the boys. We're gonna surprise them. So I'm probably about halfway through our trip when we get on to Whitewater Lake here. We only gotta go about, I don't know, maybe 2 kilometers out of the way, and they got a fly-in lodge here on the sandbar. There'll be some cold beer waiting for us. Should be a good time.
Good morning, day 3, Bacon Bandits, Wabakimi, 2019. So today is a pretty simple day. Just going to finish off the Wabakimi River, a couple of rapids. We might have to portage them, we might get to canoe them, and you'll find out how well that went later on today. And then the rest of the day is just a nice quiet paddle on the Whitewater Lake. Try and finish at Best Island, have a bit of fishing on the way, have a bit of a swim at the beach. It's going to be a cruisy day after yesterday's big day, so that'll be nice.
Lunchtime here on this nice beach with the Bacon Bandits.
So today we started in the Wabakimi River and paddled pretty much all of Whitewater Lake. Now we're on Best Island at the Wendell Beckwith cabins. The Wabakimi Hermit, the Bushman. We're gonna go check out his place. Hopefully it's pretty cool. There's one of them.
Just fucking cut the wood out and fix it on it.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. That'll be here till fucking 5. Holy shit, that is cool. That's intelligence. Check that out. It's fucking sick. And there's like a book on it, dude.
Oh.
hit bottom. Oh yeah, I hit bottom.
So yesterday my feet took a bit of a beating. First, Braden threw a can of aerosol sunscreen spray on the fire and it blew hot ashes everywhere, and I ended up stepping on a hot ember and it got stuck in my foot. So that was the first thing. Then when we went cliff jumping, I hit bottom really hard.
I hit hard.
And I've been limping ever since, and I took my canoeing shoes off just now at the end of day 4 and my feet are kind of black. So hopefully I didn't break anything, but we'll keep trucking, it's all good. What day is it? Where are we? And yeah, what's going on?
It's day 3, end of the day. Canoed 30 something kilometers today. We're camping on the beach. True.
It's day 3 and we've just found our camp spot on Whitewater Lake, Great Island. And Adam and I are getting ice for the boys because the meat is getting a little warm. But actually, we're getting 2 cases of beer from across the lake here. And yeah, we're gonna surprise the boys.
Surprise for them.
Give a thumbs up. What's for dinner?
Deer steak and sidekicks.
What do you got to drink?
The Bat Blue, ice cold.